I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night.
Lifestylers, your girl, they're on the road. I get some last minute stuff, so I'm done now, guys. I'm done. I think I just have one gift card to get. Yeah, I just have one gift card to get, and then I'm done. Yeah, guys, I just have a little gift card. Yeah, Aquan just send, guys, if I see nothing, my son has send me out. Yeah, little boy sending me out, so I went on the road, guys. Aquan sent me to get his little sister something, so I got her. I went to Hudson Bay and get her something. So you guys will see it when we open it tonight. So guys, I'm heading home now. So guys, I'm working all week. I'm off Boxing Day. So with that said, I'm not doing nothing. I'm not going nowhere, guys. I'm just gonna go to work tomorrow morning. Hello, lifestylers. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 24. My Sissy Pooh did it. So, guys, this episode is called Lifestyle with Yoli. Last minute shopping, last minute gift wrapping. So, guys, I'm going to show you her, okay? Stay tuned. Last minute making me gift wrapping. Who make you? You. You were grounded to gift wrap? What do you mean somebody made you? Yeah. Who made you? And then telling me, guys, don't look in that one. Don't look in this one. Just wrap them. Guys, she does such a skillful job at gift wrapping. So, you know, I'm like, who best to wrap this gift to show Sissy Pooh my appreciation? Sissy Pooh! What? Because I want the gift to look so eloquent. Is that the word, guys? I want it to look so nice. And I said, who could give this the look that I want? Sissy Pooh. But it's just that the gift is for her. But, you know, guys. This is not right. That's what's up. I'm wrapping Akon, bring this to me. Wrap this, Mom. It's yours in a box. Then she come, wrap this. It's, you know, don't look at this one. She does such a good job, guys. You know, I won't lie to you guys. She takes her housewife role very serious, guys. You know, housewife. She's guys, a great. Tell me to stay home yet. Don't interrupt me. I'm vlogging. She is a great housewife, guys. She takes care of her home. She's a Proverbs 31 woman. And she cooks, she cleans, she prays, she complains, then she prays again. You know, that's who she is. Her husband and her children cling to her. Call her blessed. Yes, they call her blessed. That's who she is. Why you? Promise wants to vlog too.
What are you doing?
Money, why you want to watch the gifts, huh?
I'm measuring their size.
What? Measuring their size. So what does the size do, like?
It makes me estimate my gift.
What?
What talk about? I know they are so few. Right? All of yours them wrap already, so nothing not here for you.
Oh.
So Yoli, this is Vlogmas 24. How was Vlogmas? Rough. What does rough look like? But the people them kept me encouraged. Yeah. You made Vlogmas look easy. Yeah, but you guys kept me encouraged. Was it easy? It's a prank!
A prank, you
guys, you couldn't keep me laughing. You know that prank? Where what prank? Scratch your... Like say, yeah, talk to the person, you just keep going. Oh, yes, I know the prank. But it wasn't that. It wasn't that. I don't believe you. No, for real. To see my expression. Because, guys, make me frozen and
guys, she probably
Guys,
has.
I shouldn't have done it with her. I should have done it with the vlog on both of us. That's what I should have
Guys,
done.
who don't believe say a prank?
Guys, that's so terrible.
Oh, God.
Guys, don't want to see her back there.
Come ready to ask her. If you hear her grow back her, she won't wash. Like, what's happening? No,
Guys,
sir.
I forgot crap that out.
No, you say a prank. When you
It is
crop
a
out the
prank.
then why you need to take it out?
I don't want my church family
Promise,
to think I'm
you're
crazy.
in the way.
Mama.
Excuse Mama.
You guys go downstairs.
No.
I'm on the way.
Manny, you guys don't need to watch the
You
gift
guys gonna pull it
wrapping.
tomorrow
What time tomorrow?
when I come from work.
2 in the morning?
When she come from work.
So when's that?
In the day.
Oh, so not at nighttime now.
No, we changed the tradition.
Yes, finally.
Yeah, so
Oh,
tomorrow
you
in
don't
the
like
day.
the nighttime tradition.
I hate it.
Why?
In like you know, when the kids then get up in the
Oh,
morning.
you had an early morning tradition?
Yes.
Like whenever they sleep and they wake
Oh,
up and they
really?
just do it.
You know, I thought they liked the midnight.
No, even Aquan used to say he didn't like it, but you liked it.
Because remember, sometimes because I want to sleep in on Christmas
Yeah,
morning.
because you don't want him to wake you up to unwrap. So guys, Yolanda's tradition is to open gifts Christmas Eve night
Right,
going into
midnight.
Christmas Day.
Yeah.
Right, instead of doing it Christmas morning when the kids, you know, can jump out of bed with excitement and run, you know, to unwrap their gift. But the reason for that all along was because she wanted to sleep in. I didn't know that was the reason why.
And I didn't know that they didn't like it. If I would have changed it a long time ago.
Well, now you know.
So what you want to do it when I come home from work? So you guys gonna sit down until I come home?
Oh, yes.
Are you rather before she leaves out in
In
the
the
morning?
morning?
Yeah,
And before she leaves.
could do that too.
What time is that?
What time are you
5 o'clock.
leaving? You're not getting up at no 5. Like, you've been saying that for 24
I'm going to work
days.
early because I want to finish early.
Guys, let me tell you guys something. So while Yolanda is doing this Vlogmas, I said to her, why not do a get ready with me in the morning for work vlog? Every morning, tomorrow is the morning. Tomorrow. She even set alarm, guys, because I hear 5 o'clock alarm going off. Up until now, I'm not get
Guys,
ready with me.
It's hard for me
for
to
work.
get out of the... What back is it? It's hard for me to get out of the...
Mom, I take a picture of Trick Treat.
Okay, yeah. You come out of the camera with your piece of shot.
It's up there.
Yeah, it's kind of hard for me, guys, to get out of the morning funk in the morning. Like, it's I don't know. Am I a morning person?
You're not.
I do wake up.
You're not a
early.
morning person and you're not a day person. So I guess you're a night person because you nap in the day and you can't get up in the morning.
Yeah, I don't know. So this is you're not writing on them.
So that one's Promise.
This one is a promise.
No, that's yours. The one that you just wrapped is Promise.
Oh. So guys, she give me something to wrap. Is it supposed to be outside?
Yes. Don't open the box. Oh, guys, sorry, I forgot that.
Guys, it's awful. Guys, she give me something. Why she never tape it down and tell me that I can't look in it? Huh? It's her
Guys,
rude self.
you would think that she is one of the kids. Guys, she's like, whose is this? And when you say to her, so what is in it? So you can't tell me? You would think,
I'll
oh,
be
what
like
did
that.
Aquan
It's
get
so
me?
small.
But did hear her call me this morning. So Aquan got me a box. But I don't know what it is. So I say, oh, so you know what it is. She's like, oh, it's so small. It's so tiny. What is it? What you have to say for yourself?
What? What? It's so small.
Like, it's not about you, it's about the kids.
Yeah?
It's
But
so
if I see something
tiny.
for myself, I'm gonna want to know
It's so
what
tiny.
it is.
You still have on your work badge, you know. You're still in work mode.
Well, that's what I'm gonna.
So, guys, she go on with the gift wrapping though. She wrap her one right now. Her gift from me to her, wrapped by her.
Yes, you don't laugh. Mommy, that's it. You don't laugh. You don't laugh.
Her gift
Because
from
why
me
am I wrapping my
to
own
her, wrapped by her. Guys, she does such a great job. You know they have those professional gift wrapping shop, guys. She should open one. Because she does such a great job. She's just a skillful person. She's good with her hands, guys. That's why she's good with her hands.
No, but
Where-
sweet me up and sweet me
At
down.
Christmas, take sweetening, man. If I even look a splendor, if you don't want it too sweet.
Guys,
Yes, guys. She's just a very handsy person. Like, she can make money with her hands. Talk truth. Talk
Yeah,
truth,
that
right?
is true.
That's why she have, you know, the CMOS business. That's why she can come up with new ideas, you know. And she's just good with her hands. The next thing left for she do, guys, I become
good.
a masseuse.
she good.
Which song that?
She good.
Good like
You know,
she
I know
could.
masseuse. Guys, your sister me can't even sit down here, so we
You look like you want a masseuse.
guys. That's not too much audio.
Gosh, I can't. So, sis, give us the highlight for Vlogmas. You're at day 24. You made it. You did it.
I did it. Honestly, guys, I would say my highlight is you guys. Yeah. But now, Lionel Laverne, girl, big up on the
Big up, Laverne. Laverne, I see your
pushed me right
comments.
through.
Yeah.
Divam, girl. It's like it is the back of me, just a
It's a pusher. Like she feel the push.
Jennifer. Big up yourself, Jennifer. Jennifer come out through the Vlogmas and she has stuck it out with me. Who else? Alicia, my cousin.
Arlene.
Cuz, see you.
Big up yourself, cuz.
Yes, thank you.
That's my September sister.
Yes, thank you so much for your support. Yvonne, did I say Yvonne?
No.
Yvonne, girl, thank you for your support. I see your girl, like, honestly, every time I drop a vlog, man, I come out and let me know, say, hey, present, we're there, Yuli. I'm telling you, it just makes me
Excuse
want
promise.
to, you know,
What are you doing?
Promise, no, you can't be in the way, mama.
to push through purpose. I saw this, I saw her name is Purpose Girl. You come out for the makeup vlog with Manda. Yeah. And there's this other subscriber.
Did you say Arlene?
Yeah, Arlene. Did I say Arlene?
I said it, but I don't think you heard me.
Arlene, big up yourself, girl. One thing. Arlene there with me from day one. Guys, Arlene is such a awesome subscriber, guys. Like, me can't count on Arlene to put my content them out there.
Share it on her personal
Yes,
page.
guys.
Yeah.
As soon as my content drop, Arlene gonna share it. Arlene, I appreciate you so much. Thank you so much for your support. And there is a subscriber, like, her name is not on it, but it end with like 75 something. Girl, thanks for your support. And for even my have silent watchers, guys, come I have one of my friend tell me about, say,
Where?
she no miss no vlog. So me say, hello, help me to understand this. You don't miss any vlog, but I never see you in my comment. Oh, me never know me. But anyways, thank you. But I complain. I
So
support
call
sis.
her name now, if
The
you
one, Esther. Esther. Yeah. Big up yourself, Esther. Like, it's okay, guys. I know some people, you want to be silent watchers because, it's okay. You see, from your support me, yeah, it does matter. It does count because I have, my sister-in-law who always watching my vlogs. She tell me, Sarah, little, I need to use your company when should I work on that. Big up yourself, sis. One thing, you always support me. No matter
big
what.
up you.
Big up you, sis, you know yourself. And guys, I have so much people, even if them not come all the time, then come in every so often. Big up my sister, gracefully. Where you going? What's wrong?
I want to see.
You want to say something too? What you want to say? Huh?
I want to see.
See the gifts? You see them tonight when we're opening them. Alright? Alright, go play. Go in your room. Go play with Manny. Go.
I want to play with Mommy.
Okay, take off your... Yes, guys. Big up my sister, Gracefully Broken, guys. Guys, she have a beautiful platform.
Big
I'ma
up
tell
you.
yes, she have a platform. Guys, she keeps live like devotion. She share her testimony over there. She, she sings, she worships, she have a big...
Talented.
Yeah, she's very talented, guys. She's a good worshiper. And I think this Saturday coming, she's having a live band where she'll be worshiping and singing on her platform. So, go over there and support her and tell her, say, Lifestyle with Yoli send you guys over. So, big up yourself, sis, for, for dropping and, show your support. But appreciate, guys, I appreciate everyone, honestly. But we just have to shout out to the ones that were always, see like, you guys push me the most.
And if she forgets any name, don't afraid. Tell her in the
Yes,
comments.
but
Say,
forget.
what about me?
Yeah, I hope I don't though. Well, Sarah, I have
Okay, 1 second. Continue.
Yeah. So guys, I think I said go over and follow
Yeah.
Gracefully Broken.
And anybody that she forget, put it in the comments.
Yes.
Yeah. So another question for you. What would you say was the best vlog? So you've done 24 vlogs. This would be 24, so this wouldn't count. But what would you identify as the best vlog?
Well, I think the one okay. I did a couple of vlogs. I would say.
Yeah, but you have to give us one for
I
the
think I had
best.
enjoyed the mukbang at the mukbang, what is it called? The Chick-fil-A whatever, the Chick-fil-A review. Like I did enjoy.
So why did you enjoy that? Because you love your belly, or the food did good? Like
the food was good, and it was just a fun little moment. There's a couple good ones that I did like to. We find that the people they love the makeup too. Like they really love. Yeah, the makeup. A lot of people did a message because they want to say Amanda finished look when she incomplete work. Where's the finished look? She don't do it, guys. She
Incomplete.
don't do it, nothing. I know me can't say if me was a good teacher or if the student.
So would you consider doing like more makeup vlogs for, let's say, no?
No, guys. You don't enjoy doing, guys. I do makeup because I love makeup. I would say.
Okay, what about more skincare routine vlogs?
That no. Skincare is my thing.
What about some get ready with me?
Yes. Those stuff, yeah. We can't do that. But I am not really a makeup girly, guys. I love makeup when I'm going out. But it's hard for me. Like I go to the store now. Guys, I wish I had the patience to like on an everyday. If some me I go get up and beat my face, guys. I wish me did have the patience, but me not have it. But when I go out, you see me I step out now.
Yeah, we'll make time.
Beat it up.
Beat it up. Bust it up.
But I do love makeup, but I'm just not you need to write on these things because they're gonna start getting mixed up.
Where's the Sharpie?
Go feet.
Where is it? Mr. Where is it, Guffy? What were guys?
We don't know it there.
But you had it. And a Guffy. You see, guys, she has a
Because it's
Guffy.
there.
And she
Who
don't
had
know
it?
wait there. Yeah. And the one that I did for you, write your name.
Not even a bad attitude.
Write your name.
Not even.
Right
Which
here.
one is this?
Isn't that yours?
What is that one?
Promise.
Okay.
Yeah. Right, to Yolanda from Tina.
Guys, I'm not look for the harder. I'm not looking.
Right on.
Who's this one?
That's yours, right? So right, to Yolanda,
Yeah.
to Mom from
You see
Aquan.
them something you guys are liberty taking. Liberty.
And that one is from Promise. No,
From
not from
Promise.
Promise. From me to Promise. And guys, she has good penmanship too. I don't know if you guys have ever seen her handwriting, but she has good penmanship.
Right now on these.
No, your hand's tired?
I'm tired, back tired.
So the next one for you now. Which vlog was your worst vlog? And you can't say none. You have to pick one.
Is it which one we did though? It's not last night. Which one Which one was vlog? It's I did it a couple nights ago.
Even if you can't remember the day, what was it about?
Well, I don't know why I feel like the room one was my, like I would think that the room one, but I see people like it.
I don't agree. You think the one that she was cleaning her room was the worst, guys? I don't think so.
Guys.
So why is that one the worst for you?
I feel like I did a struggle because I did in a pain. But it just a create.
Is it a creator thing?
Just like though, guys. The back hurt me. I'm just try to. You see, guys, the thing is, you see, when you live through pain, and I know this is like a topic, it's like you become immune.
Like you're able to live through it, cope with it.
Yes, it's like you're not happy about it, but you're just
adjust to it.
You adjust to it, you know, and that is kind of a bad thing. In some situation, you're not like my case. You don't have a choice, right?
But you know what? It's not a bad thing because remember, some people go through depression.
True.
When they have this, chronic pain that they have to live with, it put them in depression.
True, but guys, no, you know, put me. I do have my low moments because sometimes I wanna, cause I will go out, guys, and then because of how I'm feeling, like I just want to
Go
come home, right? Which I am an introvert, but I do like going out. But if going out, I go take a lot out of me, guys. But now I go. Like if me have to do too much, some people can't do so much in a day and still go out and have a good time. Me, I get burnt out very easy because of my back. But guys, I do have good days, but I can't, overexert myself. And this right now is over. Like, I go work, I come home, and I do too much. Right?
Yeah. And guys, honestly, she pushed through it very well, because sometimes you don't know until the end of day. Like, she do what she has to do.
Yeah.
And then end of day, she's like, okay, I gotta go lay down now. So, she do what she gotta do. And then, it never stopped her. She just worked through the pain, as she said.
Yeah, so, I think that but then after what me I said is I thought it was one of the worst video with the
With the cleaning.
yeah, or the cake, or the one with me I eat the cake.
Oh,
The sponsored video.
Okay.
But it was after me look over it, I say it was okay.
You did a
guys,
good job.
Never in the mood to go
And it's the first time doing like a sponsored vid like that, right?
Yeah. And guys, go support her. It's not because I know her or whatever her stuff. It's really good.
And honestly, guys, I tried her cake when they had the Naked Truth podcast anniversary. And I tried it and it was very good. And you know, guys, I try stay away from anything where I have liquor or anything like that. You know, a girl want to change her eating habits. But when we take a little piece of the cake and then we take another little piece and then we take another little piece.
Yeah,
and
why is it?
until it's done, guys. Oh, God. She said, don't bring this cake back here. Too much temptation. But it was really good, guys.
I honestly feel like the ones them were meeting wasn't good. Like the people them actually.
So in your eyes, then the cake tasting sponsored video, that one.
I feel like they go take off my bonnet and stuff.
Like be more prepared,
but
set
guys,
up
if
yourself.
you're looking at my eye on that video, you could tell that I was tired, guys. I slept through my alarm this morning. My husband said my alarm went off because I think it didn't go off. And my husband said the alarm went off, I turned it off, and he said, no, what me do? Because him fall back to sleep too. I was 2 hours late for work. Reaching to work 6 o'clock, I got there at 8.
No wonder you're back at Earth, you have to work in speed.
Yeah, that is it.
No wonder.
Yeah. That is it, guys.
So would you do Vlogmas again?
I would, because I will be more prepared. Like, I realize, like, you know, if you have a little more preparation ahead of time, and I would know, like, stuff what to know. Yeah. You know, like, would I try to plan the days in my head, like, you know? Yeah.
Okay.
Like
so what should we, the lifestylers, I'm talking on behalf of my peeps.
What is it?
Come on. What should the lifestylers expect from you in 2025?
Well, guys, consistency. I'm working on being consistent with my vlogs. Like, so if it's a Tuesday and a Saturday, you guys know, okay, you'll drop content Tuesday and Saturday. You know, I'm gonna try commit to 2 days a week or 3 days a week. I'm gonna say, first I'm gonna start with 2. And see,
I think Monday, Thursday.
In the New Year, guys. So look out for those vlogs.
I think a Monday, Thursday vlog wouldn't be bad, and that would work well with your schedule. Yeah, that wouldn't be bad.
So, guys, and I'm taking you guys along with me. So look out for that, guys. Who's this?
Aquans.
This.
Yeah. Guys, I don't know, watch what they pan the box, because some of them are not really that inside of it. You know, I just run out a box. So I say, any box them out? And then so comes me reach there. So 2025, what about content? What kind of content should we expect?
The same, a variety of everything. Fashion, shopping, home, family. Yeah, just variety.
So what about Q&As? Because you have some consistent subscribers.
Guys, we're gonna do a Q&A in the new year after I come back from traveling, guys. Because I'm traveling early New Year. So after that, I'm gonna send out a Q&A so you guys can send out your questions.
So guys, in the new year, we're gonna send out. Well, she's going to send out, you know, that memo to say, ask your question, send them our way. And I don't mind, you know, being the moderator for the Q&A.
We don't want nobody behind the camera.
We can negotiate. If it's free, it's behind the camera. If it's paid, it's in front of the camera. So
nobody not pay you.
You're not paying me? Then nobody not sit down with you. Gosh, if that's the case, so what do you have to say to your lifestylers as the end of year wrap up?
Guys, I just want to thank you all that have stuck with me. Thank you for your support, you know. Guys, I'm going to 2 years on YouTube. And guys, I'm not lie, but I have some, you know, you can say like, me see where my channel, like, the fact that I can call out a few people's name and know, say, you know, when we drop a vlog, like, that feels like family. That feels like, you know, this is where they say, you know, sometimes support is going to come from total strangers.
Strangers become family.
Yeah. Thank you guys so much, you know, for your support, and I wish you guys all the best for the, you know, for 2025. You know, I pray that, you know, anything you guys desire. I see somebody keep commenting and say Lifestyle with Yoli is gonna get them the iPhone 6. So me just say, I pray that person that God will bless you with the iPhone 16. And as I stated before, if I'm the vessel that God decides to use, when he provides the funds,
you'll make it happen.
Yeah, but right now, baby, I don't even buy myself an iPhone cash. Right? So you can't buy somebody, you know, it's not that because maybe we can't buy somebody else, but it's when I have it like that.
And that's the naked truth.
Yeah, when my boss way on and see me all over on the platforms when me da 100K and something, and somebody said, Yoli, but one iPhone up, I say, aye, cash up. What's the cash up? Yeah. That time me a generate an income and we can sponsor some subbies and say, hey, be a blessing to people. You understand? But we're not get there yet, guys. We know I'm going to get there, but we're not there yet. Come on, born poor, but we're not dead poor.
That is it in Jesus' name.
Yeah.
That is it.
That is it, guys. So, you know, I just want to tell my subbies, thank you so much for your support. I'm wishing you all the best in the future endeavors, whatever you guys desire for 2015. And I'm a prayer, you know, that God meet every need, every milestone, you know, every vision, everything gonna happen on the vision board come to full manifestation. As trust me, guys, I pray for you all. Sometimes, yeah, I just thank God for I just thank God for the support. You understand? But I always pray for my subbies. Always.
And that's a wrap, guys. She did it.
Yes.
Day 24. And she wrapped all the last minute wrapping.
How what you do? That
what you mean?
More. You got the store, go shop.
I'ma come here, I'ma say, sis, give me the phone, make me vlog you, make you talk to the people them, me ask you 2 questions. Guys, so guys, she never know somebody that gonna ask her now. Ask you 2 questions.
So we want to support that.
You want me to delete this? As I was saying, guys, that's a wrap. She's completed all the gift wrapping. And now we're saying goodbye. This is Vlogmas Day 24. Big up yourself, sis. You did it. What that? WD-40 needed, guys. All right, guys. Love y'all. Bye. Say bye. Give a wave.
Put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will.